My son was asked to help split some logs on personal property by a gentleman, and he would pay him for helping do this since the gentleman, that's the way he made some of his money, selling the firewood. And while my son was there, he got his thumb crushed.
His thumb,
we had to take him, obviously, to the emergency room. He had to have his thumb put back together.
Oh, no.
We obviously have a lot of medical bills from that, and he was not able to work for like 6 months. After that, we didn't know if he was going to be able to keep his thumb or not. And I'm wondering, is this gentleman not liable for these medical bills?
That's a great question. She started out by saying her son was asked to do something on personal property. I think she means real property, because that's making me think homeowners. Jimmy and our law partners were able to get a substantial multi-million-dollar verdict on a similar set of facts from a legal perspective. Jimmy, would you share with them sort of that whole concept of whenever you go to help someone out and what duties are owed? Just kind of
and what Dana needs to do
on that.
Well, there are a lot of legal issues involved in that, but
You can see his head, the wheels turning.
The wheels are turning.
Basically, we were able to, we won a motion with the court that basically said that in a situation where one person is helping another person with a home project, that the person that's getting helped has a duty to provide safe tools. So you have a couple of duties involved here. You have the duty of reasonable care, which is a duty that a reasonably careful person, or the level of care a reasonably careful person would have under the circumstances. But then you have a separate and specific duty to provide safe tools. And so if there's a breach of that duty and that caused your son to get the injury, then you have a case. But if it's just a situation where your son was helping somebody else out and then it was your son's fault, or if it was nobody's fault, then there's probably not going to be a personal injury case. But
sounds like it's extremely fact specific.
It's extremely fact specific.
And you need to bring those very specific facts to an experienced attorney who's dealt with these kind of very difficult issues, because that's not a black and white answer that just anybody's going to be able to give you.